So here's a controversial one. Why did I choose Python over R? Now, there was a point in my career where I was like, I need to pick one of these because I cannot learn two coding languages at the same time. And I picked Python because I feel that it is less of a single use language. I believe it is less of a single use language. You can build websites with it, you can build data pipelines with it, you can run machine learning in it, you can build apps, you can do everything with Python. Whereas that's not really possible with R. So I think I had to pick based on like what I wanted to do in the future, and what I wanted to do was build marketing automation tools. And I knew that R would give me the data analytics and the machine learning tools to do that, but it wouldn't universally allow me to build a platform. So that's why I picked Python. There are people out there who love R, and they have their reasons for it. But I think as a marketer, I think learning Python is a more universal skill moving forward, considering we're not entirely sure what the job market's going to look like for marketers in the future. Having Python, being able to code in the languages that the big tech companies build a lot of their software in, is going to be useful for you. So that's why I chose Python. I'm not saying R is not as good as Python. It just doesn't do as many things that I wanted it to do as Python does. Cool. I'm interested to hear from R people and tell me like what are the technical differences, because I have heard that R does the maths better under the hood than Python when it comes to machine learning, but I don't know. So yeah, that's just why I decided to learn Python.